corazón. Dump in the jump. Tap when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only
Hey internet besties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another incredible voiceover by yours truly. And today we are working with this Alipearl hair 5x5 HG lace unit. This unit is real cute. Okay, she's deep wave. She is 250% density, so she is thick with 3 C's. So I'm not going to narrate too much. I just want this to be kind of like a chill, get your lace snatched with me type of video, and you guys can kind of just watch me install. I didn't really need, let me just put a disclaimer out there. I didn't really need to do all of this. I didn't need to do a ball cap actually for this unit. I totally forgot, and I didn't realize until I like picked the unit up again and got ready to put it on my head that this is only a 5x5 lace, and the edges it doesn't come all the way out the entire like front part of my my forehead. So I really didn't even need to do a bald cap, but you know what, we're just gonna keep it moving, keep going with it because we're already here. So I'll put the link for the wig down below in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing her. This isn't a sponsored video. I did purchase her with my own coin. I just really wanted something for summer that was like big and curly, like gave me beachy vacation vibes, but I also wanted the option to dye her if I wanted to go a little bit lighter, or like straighten her and then have her curl back up. So I definitely wanted to go with a human hair unit for that. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I will definitely be doing an update on this unit because this is a pricier unit and I want to make sure you guys get enough bang for your buck. She is gorgeous right out the pack. She is gorgeous on day one, fresh out the bag, but I will definitely do an update so you guys know how she held up and whether or not she's worth your money. So let me know what you guys think down below. Of course, as you guys know, I'll put the link in the description box. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next one.
I just wanna feel alive. Life is so much more than the bills. I just want a house in the hills. I just wanna look into her eyes while I'm gripping on them thighs, so she knowing that it's real. They don't really want it with the kid. I do this shit to feed my future kids. And I got these lame cross cause I'm starving. They gotta see my highlight real. Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder. Wrist thing and it rose gold and might go for me. Couldn't pinpoint in the globe, so I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything. Everything, yeah. Everything, yeah. Yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah. Yeah, everything, yeah. But I wanna feel everything. Yeah, everything, yeah.
Okay, so this is the final look. This is what the hair is looking like. I really like this wig. I will say that this unit is pretty pricey. This is a human hair unit. As I said before, it's 250% density. That means she is thick and very long. This is, I believe, 26 inches, if I'm not mistaken. This hair is big, but I did want something just kind of like big and voluminous and like very like tight curled for spring and summer. I do want to see what she looks like if I were to like throw some perm rods or like flexi rods in her. So I may do that and show you guys what that looks like. But let me know what you think down below in the comment section. I don't know why and what possessed me to do the ball cap method for a closure unit. Well, it's not a closure unit, it's a frontal unit, but like the frontal space is like so small that it's like, what are we doing a ball cap for? Like pourquoi? So I don't know what possessed me to do that. Honestly, I think I forgot that it wasn't that much space, but this is what we are looking like for the hairline. And y'all know me, you guys know I'm not like a big baby hair gal. I'm not like a big baby hair wearer girl. I just feel like it doesn't look right on me. Like I feel like my head actually should be much bigger. Like my forehead is much bigger than it looks right now. But I don't know, I do love the hair though. Very thick and full. She is real cute, real cute. They have lots of different length options. If you don't want this much hair, girl, I feel you, because it does get hot, but they do have other lengths. I 1000% recommend. I'll do an update on this hair. This is my first time trying this company. Yeah, this hair is really good. I haven't seen like a ton online about Alipearl hair, but like, girl, they're doing the things, okay? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you would like to see like an update on this wig. I'm gonna wear her for a little while actually, so if you see another video with me wearing this hair, mind your business. Yeah, I definitely wanna do some other styles with her. I'm gonna try like some updo styles maybe too, some flexi rods. I may even try to straighten her. I feel like straighten though, she may be legit like 30 something inches. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching and hanging out with me, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.